What's up, guys? I'm going to attempt to do one of my favorite dishes from a local Italian restaurant that is incredible. I'm going to do some linguine with chicken and goat cheese. If you've never had goat cheese, don't trip on it. It is amazing, especially with this dish. So I got a large pot of water that I'm going to start boiling for my linguine. And while that is going, I'll show you what we need to get together in order to make the chicken mixture that goes with the linguine. Good stuff. Check it out. You're gonna need your butter. Gonna need some salt and pepper. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Gonna need about 5-6 cloves of garlic. I have some fresh purple basil. That's what I had. More than likely you have green or access to green, so use green. But I had some purple basil that I discovered in my garden, so I'm using that. Some crushed red pepper, some olive oil, some broth, some sun-dried tomatoes, and some white wine. And of course your chicken. Cut it up into about 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch pieces, bite-sized pieces. And of course your goat cheese. Can't forget your goat cheese. You can buy it like this, kind of like fresh mozzarella is packaged up, or you can buy it in the crumbles. Gonna add 16 ounces of my linguine to the boiling water with a little bit of salt in there. Cook according to the package directions. We'll add a couple tablespoons of olive oil to our pan and get that heated up on a medium-high. Add a little salt and a little pepper to your chicken. While my pasta's boiling, got my oil heated up over here. A little bit of salt and pepper on the chicken. Gonna cook that, saute it up. That should cook pretty quick. After about 3 or 4 minutes cooking your chicken, it's getting browned up a little bit. Sample your wine, white wine. Give it your approval. Give some to the chicken. Not a whole lot, because it's not going to have fun with it. Add your garlic. If you have anything sticking to the bottom of the pan, go ahead and scrape it off. Add about 1 cup of broth. And we want that to come to a boil. Gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter to it. Add our basil and our sun-dried tomatoes. Strain your pasta and put it into a big pretty bowl. Give that a couple tablespoons of olive oil, some of your salt and pepper, and mix that up a little. When your chicken's all done, just pour all that over your pasta. Now all that's left to do is pour you some of that wine that you opened. Make sure it hasn't gone bad since we cooked with it. Still good. Get your own personal bowl. Get yourself a big fat serving of your linguine with chicken and goat cheese. Crumble some of your goat cheese on it. It's good stuff. You're gonna want more. sprinkled with some crushed red pepper if you so desire. It is optional, but if you want a little spice to it, crushed red pepper never hurts. And then we eat this. That is incredible flavor. It's just incredible. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Do me a favor, subscribe and share it. Give it a thumbs up and talk with me down there. You can talk with me. You know, you send me a message, I'll send you a message. Something like that. Don't forget to eat this. It's good stuff. Hit the notification bell too. Have a good day.